Okay. Room number क्या? Song is,
you know,
he self-appointed his nickname is Shazada, which is what? Prince. He's called himself the Prince. Oh, that's a fine just in itself, isn't it? Huh?
The Prince.
Oh.
Thank you, my friend. Mama 5-2 diet, tell you what I'm. Thank you.
कबाब आ गया भाई, कबाब आ गया।
Happy birthday, boyo! Hey, congratulations, man. There you go, mate. 21, huh?
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Is that? Hey.
Shahzada.
Shahzada. Yeah. Which means what?
It's my Prince.
Prince. And who gave you this nickname?
Islamabad United.
Oh, is that right? Oh, I thought you. No, you gave yourself the Prince. Huh? So you're Brian Lara. He's the only other guy. Yeah. The anointed one. Huh? Very good. Always. That's a good nickname. What's yours, Finny?
Come on, my dad called me Lanky. Mine's Cumber here, yeah. Pole.
Yeah.
Pole.
Street light pole.
Yeah, street light pole. Very good. All right, mate. Fantastic. I'll let you go. Fantastic.
4 seasons.
बाकी फ्रीजर चला के रहना।
So there's a guy on the internet, he's like an internet sensation. Thank you.